Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on scientific notation. This video explains the idea of scientific notation for large and small numbers. For large numbers, scientific notation or standard form involves writing that number as a product of a number between 1 and 10 and as a power of 10, where the power is positive. For small numbers, scientific notation or standard form involves writing that number as a product of a number between 1 and 10 and as a power of 10 where the power is negative. So let's have a look at these 6 examples. Okay, we start off with 670. We can write that as 6.7 times 10 squared. Because we put the decimal point here, then we have to move it 2 places to the right. And that's why we have a 2, 10 squared. 839,000, we put the decimal point here, and that gives us 8.39. So if we put it there, we have to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places to the right. And here we have 5 million, so we write 5, so we put the decimal point there after the 5. And we have to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to move it 6 places to the right. So there are 3 examples how you write large numbers in scientific notation or standard form. Now for small numbers. If we have this number here, if we place the decimal point between the 7 and the 8, because remember the number has to be between 1 and 10, so it's 7.8. We have to move it back 1, 2, 3 places, and that's why it's 10 to the power of negative 3. If we have this very small number here, we place the decimal point there at the end, right here. Sorry, we'll go back there. So we place the decimal point right there, and then we have to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that means it's 10 to the power of minus 6. Now here we have a very, very small number, so we put the decimal point between the 6 and the 3, which is there, and we have to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 10 to the minus 7. So we've had 6 examples here where we've seen how to write large numbers in standard form and small numbers in standard form.